We're gonna take a break from install videos. If you guys have been watching the channel, we're gonna do another unboxing here. I'm kind of also doing this for me and so I can remember what's in some of these packages and what I actually have. There's quite a few shipments coming from Japan. Slide open here. Okay, so this is a maintenance box. So I got Ninja Chinese throwing stars. No, just you need this. One of my cars is it's not blowing as much cold AC as it should at idle. So I'm gonna change that. Plus, let's see if this is the guy here. And like I said, a lot of this I'm just opening so I remember what I have. I'm actually trying to do another order of things that I need, and I'm like forgetting did I order that, did I not? So yeah, so this is the actual clutch fan that goes inside here. So we're gonna get that on one of the cars soon. Let's see if there's any fun stuff in here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this was actually really cool. The driver's side door handle switch, brand new. So super cool for the 33. Didn't see a passenger side available, but when you see these parts, it's a really good idea, guys, to grab them, as they might only have a couple. So I grabbed this. So we'll see how this all works out. I just wanted to have this on hand. And as you know, on the R32, I don't run a cover at all. I do own the cover and have it, but I've not been running it. This is from HPI. So I kind of remember this order now. I was talking to my friend the other day and he was kind of clowning me because I kind of told him like I forgot what I actually ordered when I sent him a picture of the boxes the other day. So this is a teeny little switch for R32. This is just an engine bay oil caution sticker. I thought it was kind of cool to have one. These are Nismo valve stems, so I thought these are sick. The coolant cap, Nismo badge, new washer nozzles. So I got this. It's kind of cool. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but stay tuned. Okay, these are trunk bump stops. Oh, this is the whole door kit. So these are all the rubber little pieces. I think I've mentioned it before. If not, though, I'm planning on potentially respraying the whole car. So I wanted to kind of get these in preparation for that. Plus some of them just need to be replaced too. These are the ones that go on the top of the actual trunk and then come down. So that's the whole kit with all those part numbers and stuff. Just wanted to kind of open it up for my records. The most important stuff was the clutch fan. Oh, there's one more. There is another box. Oh, I don't know what this is. Okay, so this, I'm gonna be refreshing a lot of the interior parts. I decided to pick one of these up. Pretty simple. I might actually take mine and be mounting like gauges here with some pods and stuff. So before I ruin that, I want to make sure I have an original piece to replace just in case. So continuing, this is a different shipment. I have an idea what these are. I think these are over fenders for the R34. It would be a rear set potentially. So these are R34. They are a complete set. Pretty uncommon to actually run the fronts on the car, but I think they have to get all four. And if I am spraying, like I mentioned, I will want to spray all these at the same time. You can see these are authentic Nismo parts with their cool little logo behind there. So these are super cool. These would be the fronts, right? Okay. So this box is interesting. I had a special order this. Let's take a look at this, but this is for my R32. And I always am switching my wheels around quite a bit, the steering wheel itself. And so what I wanted to do is I wanted to order just the piece that attaches to the steering wheel so that I could easily swap them around. So I didn't order a whole hub assembly, I just ordered part of it. Okay, so this is just the part that would attach to the steering wheel so that I can actually have this on one wheel and have the other one and just do a quick swap if I need to. Just ordered a couple of these random things to add to the order. I think it was 2. These are for the ABS, like the hard lines basically for the brake and the ABS systems on all the cars. So that's why that is there. This is just something kind of cool for a gimmick for some friends. That is it. There's another super large box in the back. We should just go back, yeah. So we got one more box and I'm 99% sure I know what this is. This should be R33 front splitter / lip. So this is pretty sick. They sell this under panel separately, but they also sell the front new lip. This is all official Nismo, like you guys have seen on all the other stuff. So the quality is definitely there. This is just a different style, but the cool thing is it comes together and acts as like a little diffuser, if you will, an under panel. So most 34s that I see do not have this piece, and I was very interested in getting this. Nice. And it, 33. Oh. And again, like all this stuff, like it just disappears, guys. So I haven't seen these in a while. Don't know how or when they decided to make them. It's a Nismo part. Some people refer to this as like an R400 style. So it's got the extra split in the middle here, where a lot of them don't. And I'm super happy. So I don't know if we actually unboxed it. We might have teased it in one of the earlier videos. We can go next door and check it out. There's a whole, for the 33, I got the side skirts. I think I have the over pieces like I mentioned earlier. Like I said, I just keep losing track a little bit, and I'm working as fast as I can on these cars to try to get them all set. Let's go next door. Let's look and peek in that box real quick. So as you guys can see, there's an extra set of valve covers, extra crank, all kinds of parts. But in here, I think this is it. There's a bunch of other random stuff. We might have shown this on video, but washer reservoirs. The biggest thing is there's a front bumper in here. See, not even that cool. These are new A-pillars for the R34. So we got left and right matching on that. That's the side skirts right there. It says LAS on it. But there is that's probably a front bumper, or those are probably actually Z-Tune side skirts, or side skirts, fenders. And then behind it is actual front bumper, Z-Tune. So right there is a whole OEM GTR style front bumper, R34. And this plate's R34. Okay, so this is, can't remember if this is a driver or passenger side. This is the window trim molding that goes around the top. So one of them's like super discontinued. Here's the part number if you guys want to look it up. That's what this should be right here. Two reservoirs. So this is a new R33 bumper. Pretty cool, comes with all the mesh. So the lip, I was just showing you guys why I wanted to like bring this up. This will bolt in right to here. And this is like super rare and super hard to get a hold of. I feel like there's like one more part in here. I just want to double check. I feel like there's another one of these. Like there's one left side. Just throw it in the bottom of the box. Thanks for watching. Please encourage me to kind of push these along to get these projects going. I have a lot of projects. I actually recommend to anyone just work on one car at a time. So trying to balance the 33, 34, 32's got some little things going on with it. It's a lot of work, and then there's the GTT, there's things with that too. So, it takes a while to collect these parts. These cars are not for everybody, but they are awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. And if you got any questions, just leave me a comment below. I'll get back to you guys, or hit me up on the Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video.